Rumors about a pickup version of the Ford Bronco SUV surfaced over 6 years ago, and while news of such a vehicle has been quiet since then, new information indicates it's happening after all. It's taken a while, but the Bronco SUV finally overtook the iconic Jeep Wrangler in sales earlier this year, so the time feels appropriate for Ford to expand the Bronco sub-brand with another model. A rugged pickup of this nature will compete directly with the Jeep Gladiator, one of the best off-road pickups around. Plans to launch a Bronco pickup were shared with Automotive News. This new Bronco is expected to be produced at the Michigan assembly plant, and people familiar with Ford's plans say that the entire facility will eventually be dedicated to the Bronco family of vehicles. This would include the Bronco-based Lincoln SUV, a more luxurious but still capable model that's slated for production in 2029. No other technical information about the Bronco pickup is known, but we expect it to share its bones with the Bronco SUV. If it gets the same engines, the pickup will use the SUV's 300 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo and 330 horsepower V6 turbo. A Raptor version could make as much as 418 horsepower. Additionally, Ford is expected to launch a Bronco hybrid in 2027, so it's possible that a Bronco hybrid pickup is coming, too. The Bronco SUV's numerous off-road toys and adventure gear should be available for the truck version, too. That would include the GOAT driving models, trail control, winch mounts, and special tires on off-road versions. The expansion of the Bronco lineup is part of a broader Ford strategy to turn its biggest nameplates into families of vehicles. Besides the Bronco SUV and truck duo, Ford is also planning to launch a 4-door Mustang and a smaller transit van. The F-Series lineup will also be expanded. Recent reports indicate a starting price of under $40,000 for the 4-door Mustang, which has already been shown to dealers. It could also mark the return of a proper V8 muscle sedan, an increasingly rare sight in 2026, especially since Dodge no longer sells a V8 powered Charger. By 2029, Ford will have refreshed 80% of its lineup in North America. It will have 5 vehicles under $40,000 by the end of the decade, while adding a significantly higher number of hybrid and EV models by 2030. Ford has an unmatched pickup lineup in the US and the Bronco name is well established, so it's hard to believe a Bronco pickup won't succeed. This vehicle does, however, raise questions about the Ranger's future, as it's expected to be another mid-size model. It's possible that the Ranger could be cancelled, or Ford could potentially reposition it as a more premium mid-size option, leaving the Bronco pickup to cater to adventure junkies. What's clear is that Ford's lineup will look considerably different by the end of the decade. A more cost-effective EV range, new hybrids, and a larger presence in the sub-$40,000 segment could significantly boost Ford's market share in a few years.